In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy a Fundednext account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to fundednext.com. And then this page will pop up. From here, as you can see here, you can go down to start a challenge, but you don't actually want to click on this. Instead, you'll need to go up to the login page up here and go down to register for a new account so you can buy a Fundednext challenge. From here, you'll need to add in your first name, your last name, your gender, date of birth, country, city, email, phone number, password, and confirm password. You can also down here say that I agree to the processing of the personal data. I acknowledge my name is correct and corresponded to the government issued identification. And lastly, I agree to receive news, updates, and promotions, but this is optional. This is not something you need to do. From here, it should look something like this. And here you can go up to account inside the dashboard. And then from here you can click start challenge. From here it should look something like this, where you can see the account sizes. And up here you can see whether or not you want to trade with CFDs or futures over here. As you can see, there's pretty big difference between CFD and futures, and you can, with CFDs, you can choose still a 2-step, still a 1-step, still a light, or still an instant. And if you want to trade futures, you can do rapid challenge or the legacy challenge. For this tutorial, I'm just going to choose the CFD, but this will also work the same way with futures. From here, you can see the account size, and you can choose between 6K, 15K, 25K, 50K, 100K, and 200K. Down here, you can also click Get Plan for each of these ones. So choose which one is suitable for you, and from here, you can see that you are selected this one up here, and you can see and select the platform. And here you can choose from MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, C-Trader, or Match Trader. Over here you can also select swap type, which way you can choose between swap account or a swap-free account. You can also down here select add-ons with lifetime rewards, no minimum trading days, 150% reward, bi-weekly reward, and double up. From here you'll just need to click I agree to the terms and condition and get started. From here you can select the payment method, and Fundednext supports either international card, Apple Pay, PayPal, crypto, Google Pay, or Skrill. So just choose which one is suitable for you and add in your details. From here, once you bought it, you'll go into the accounts tab over here, and then you'll see inside of the active with CFD or futures. Then from here, you can see down here that you will have access to your account. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!